I first recorded with Nollaig back in, it must have been about 1991, I think it was. I can see why she's so popular in terms of session playing, because she very, very seldom does second takes. If you're booked in some big expensive studio somewhere, she's going to be one of your first calls, because you know she's not going to sit there all day. She's just going to nail it straight away.
Maira's playing, and I've seen her most often playing with Chris Newman, her husband. And indeed, we did a half a dozen tours in Australia and New Zealand together back in the 90s. And I realised what a brilliant musician Maira is. Nollaig is a kind of forerunner of a lot of modern traditional musicians whose reach extends way beyond the requirements of traditional music. And I think there's a generation of fiddle players and musicians coming up who are inspired by Nollaig.